Hello, I'm Monica. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the new things in the latest and greatest version of OpenXava, version 7.3. In this version, we've improved many aspects of security for web applications generated by OpenXava. And they are finally compatible with OWASP. We've also made many improvements in the user experience and user interface. Additionally, we've finished the final details of the calendar in list mode. This, and many, many more things. Let's get started. Now your OpenXava applications can comply with OWASP Top 10, which means having the highest security standards for web applications. In fact, OpenXava passes the OWASP SAP web security test with a 100% score, without any critical, medium, or low-level alerts. However, this does not mean that applications made with OpenXava are automatically secure or automatically comply with OWASP Top 10, because your own code could be vulnerable. You could use vulnerable third-party libraries, you could fail to properly configure your application, fail to properly configure your application server, or disable some security features of OpenXava. Refer to the Web Security, OWASP, section of the OpenXava documentation to learn how to make your application OWASP compliant. Let's take a look at the user interface improvements. Notice how every time we open a module, it appears at the top as a tab, making it quickly accessible. Now, we also have an X that we can click to close any module we've opened. But there are more enhancements, like navigation for collection items. Here, when we open a collection item, you can see how at the bottom right, there are two buttons for navigation. And take a look at this other detail. The dialog buttons are visible without having to scroll the browser, even if the dialog content is large. A scroll bar is added inside the dialog. While we're here, let's try out the new feature for entering dates. Now, if only a number is entered and we exit, it assumes that number as the day and fills in the month and year with the current month and year. And we've saved the best for last. Our new dark theme, much more modern and beautiful than the previous one. Look. List mode. We've introduced some features in the calendar view. Now, the width adjusts automatically to occupy all available space. We've also added annual navigation buttons, allowing quick movement between years without having to go through all the months. With this drop-down combo, it's now possible to view records for different dates properties. Additionally, records can now be dragged and dropped into other cells, making it easier to change their date and time without needing to enter detail mode. I'm sure you've loved what you've seen so far from version 7.3. But there's still more to discover, such as local time support, library updates, bug fixes, and other new features. To get all the details, I recommend checking out the full announcement on the OpenXava blog. You'll find the direct link in the video description. Additionally, the announcement contains detailed instructions for updating your applications to OpenXava 7.3. Bye.